Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make diagonal stripes in GIMP. So I've got GIMP open, and this is my headshot, and I'm going to try to make some diagonal stripes just going from the upper left down to the lower right. And the first thing is to choose our color. So here in the color palette, we've got this yellow color selected. I'm going to click in there and choose like a red, probably, like a darker red. Say OK. Now we're going to select our paintbrush, and I'm going to, it's a little bit big, so I'm going to move the size down a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now what you want to do is click in one spot, then hold down the Shift key, and you'll see this line appears. And this is going to let you just click in another area, and it will automatically draw a line from point A to point B for you. So I'm going to come down to the lower right and click, and there's one of our lines. And we'll just repeat this process really quick a couple of times to draw out a few more lines across our image. And there you go. It's pretty quick, it's not quite perfect, but it's the fastest way to make diagonal lines in an image. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Josiah Ray.